Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Steps Day 9. So today we're introducing decluttering to our morning routine. And so the FlyLady talks a lot about clutter and how basically we can't clean a house that is cluttered. If we have too many things, then it's just always gonna look like a mess, basically. And so today we're gonna add a 5-minute room rescue. And what FlyLady talks about is kind of focusing on the room that's like the room, like the room, and spend 5 minutes just decluttering in that area. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna set our new best friend, as she calls it, the timer for 5 minutes and start decluttering that room. And that's gonna be taking out anything that we don't need anymore, that we're not using, and just spend the 5 minutes. Remember, it's not about finishing and completing these tasks and overwhelming ourselves, because that's something as perfectionists I know that can be a struggle for me. Is okay, once I start it, I have to finish it. That's the only way that I'm gonna be able to start this task. And what happens is, because I feel like I have to finish, I don't want to start because it's gonna take me forever to finish. And so I love the timer, like I've told you guys, and how it lets you know when you're gonna be able to stop doing the things you really don't want to be doing. So that's our assignment for today. That's our baby step for today, is to set our timer for 5 minutes. She calls it a 5-minute room rescue, and rescue those rooms. I have a calendar below, a link there with 31 baby steps there, so you can follow along with each of the 31 days. You can print it out and subscribe so that you can also keep following along with these 31 days of baby steps. And if you haven't already, follow me over on Instagram. Comment over there and let me know once you finish your room rescue and how you're feeling. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.